Hi there! Welcome to Sonnet's International Product Launch. I'm Milo. Look at Toby and his mom. Math time isn't going so well. That's right, many families face the same little challenge. Kids get bored with learning, and parents don't always know how to help. This time, Toby is heading to a new place on a learning adventure.
Let's go! We're almost in LA. Wow, how did I run into everyone here?
这里是好莱坞星光大道，SUNSTART Explorer Kit。各位好，我们来到了
In lively LA, there are interesting things everywhere you go. Huh? What's inside this box? Whoa! Oops! Oh. Whoa! I'm inside a digital learning world! Time to solve the challenge and find my way out! Yay! I fixed it!
See? Learning can feel just like stepping into a story. It's not boring at all. That's the secret. And when you try, play, and explore along the way, it feels like you're leveling up. Step by step, everyone can grow stronger and smarter. Want to join the adventure? We made it easy to jump in. Just scan the QR code to get started. Start today and grow stronger with us through learning step by step.